I am going to give you a invisible, imaginary gift, okay? And then you must now, on your side, you're receiving the gift, you must open it up and then tell me what's in there. And then I am going to tell you why I gave that to you. Okay, now before we start, before I give you the gift, did your brain just suggest a whole lot of stuff that could be in the box to you?
Yeah.
You're
Obviously.
not allowed to use any of those, okay? You're not allowed to use any of the suggestions your brain already gave you. You gotta give me the one, the moment you actively, imaginary open that box now. Okay, so here it comes. Here comes the gift. I'm sending it. It's in your hands. Open the box. What's in the box?
A camera.
A camera. I gave it to you because I thought that you could really use it in your content creation. Okay. The exercise is